me show you what I'm going to use to help me cut squares for my quilts to make it a lot easier and faster before I sew. Hi, I'm Angie from Gen X Quilter. Today I want to show you my new machine that I received. This machine will definitely help me cut the squares or whatever design that I want a lot easier before I sew. So last week I received this in the mail. This is what actually I was going to show you an unboxing of it. However, for some odd reason, the video, I can't find the video of it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I received and what I'm going to use it for. This is a Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro. And what that means is this is a 24-inch Silhouette Cameo. The one that I have currently, or the other one that I have, is a 12-inch, so it's half this size. And what I'm going to use this for is for cutting out blocks to make quilts. It will cut out the blocks exactly like I need them, and the squares exactly, correct square. I do use my AccuQuilt for a lot of things. The only difference with that is you're limited to the dies that you purchase with the AccuQuilt. So this, I can make some blocks using my Silhouette Cameo, and I am going to do a tutorial on that soon. And then I can cut them out. The con on that, when you use your Silhouette, is that you can only cut one piece of fabric at a time, and you really need to stabilize that before you cut, so that way it will cut a perfect square or whatever you want it to cut. But I'm going to show you the Silhouette Cameo and what I'm going to do with it in the next few weeks. So this is how you open it, and it's almost like a garage door. So you have this to open and close. I do have what we call an auto blade right here. This means that you don't have to set your blade in the system, in the Silhouette design system. This is a rotary blade, and what this is good for is for cutting fabrics and a little bit thicker material than a piece of paper or whatever, but you can do paper with that too. But this is what I'm most strictly used to cut fabrics. I do have a roller on here. First, before I show you the roller, I'm going to show you this little, kind of like a little storage compartment. And you just kind of click it, and you can store extra blades or whatever you need in here. Not too much room, but you can store that in there. This, like I said, is 24-inch, so I'm going to show you the mat real quick. Okay, this is the mat that I received with it. It's a pretty big mat. This is going to be nice to lay a lot of fabric down and to cut with this. This is the rolling, I'm not sure exactly what they call this. It's the rollers. It's to help with the mat and to keep it nice and flat. Also, it is to, if you don't want to use a mat and you just want to use a roll of vinyl or whatever, you can use these. So you just kind of stick those, that's the storage to them. This is the middle part that holds your mat flat, and you just kind of lift up your Silhouette and put them in there like that. So this part will go on the inside. Okay. So that's how you would lay your mat on there to make it nice and even. And I was going to show you what my first project will be. I got this, and actually it's the cover page of the American Patchwork and Quilting magazine. I'm actually going to make this my first project on my Cameo, and you see it's a lot of small squares. That's what I'm going to cut with this, and see if I can cut those squares. And as I'm working on it, I will definitely make a video. I'm not sure how long the video is going to be, if it's going to be separate parts, but that's my first project that I'm going to be working on with the Cameo in my Silhouette design store. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more of how I use my Silhouette Cameo, and to watch me make that quilt, and how I design it and cut it with my Cameo. Thanks for watching.